and heroes who use gadgets, and all heroes in general. I mean, I love everything that has to do with heroes.
Wow, sounds like Hero Elementary is the perfect school for you.
This first...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Super kids.
This place is so amazing.
Oh, I wonder what Mr. Sparks is like.
I've been thinking about that. Thought projecting.
Cool superpower.
I can show you anything I think. And with a name like Mr. Sparks, I imagine he has sparky superpowers.
Ooh, I bet he has giant muscles. Oh yeah, he probably looks just like that.
Come on.
Huh?
Buenos dias! Good morning, young heroes!
Mr. Sparks?
That's right! Welcome to your first day of Hero School.
But you're not...
What you were expecting? There are many things you won't expect here at Hero Elementary.
We thought you'd have superpowers.
Enough about me. Who's ready to get started?
I'm ready. I brought my latest gadget to show everyone. Spring shoes.